Recently I installed a dual dash cam at Blackvue DR900S, and it has the 4K camera at the front and the high def at the back. But what I've done now is I've put a second unit at the back, so it's also a 4K camera. And what I've done with the high def ones is I've put them on the side now, both left and right, to get a 4-channel setup basically, so I can see all sides of the car. Now the front one hasn't changed, that's still the exact same unit as it was. It's just got a replica at the back now as well. And you can see the cables go pretty much where I just had one cable before, now it's got two. And I managed to get both of those cables through the rubber grommet here, so it's all neat and tidy.
Here I am doing a bit of a walk around the car just so you can get an idea of the sort of area that the cameras cover. Now you can see in the bottom left I've got an overall view so you can see where I am in relation to the car. And then I'm just doing a walk past the cameras.
And here's a bit of footage. Now the main camera obviously takes up most of the screen, but that red car that I just passed on the left pops up on its own little image at the top left, and then in the rear camera, which I flipped horizontally to look like a rear view mirror. And here's just a bit of random footage. Now the way I've cropped and pasted all this together, I just used a script in ffmpeg to do it automatically. Now here is just going through a little sort of area in town, and I do this same corner at night time, so you can see the difference between day and night in the same area. This is an overcast bit of footage, which is quite good because it's equal light all around. So you don't have the sun directly in any camera and you can see pretty much everything around. Now this is where it's really good, is for car parks, because you never know what side anything's going to happen, as you never do. Now here's just a bit of random footage along just a standard kind of country type road, because people were interested in some footage from around the area, so I thought I'd show you. And of course, down by the water. Now the last bit of footage is just a little wallaby here next to the road, and he just hops away as I come along.